Money barter to Bitcoin. Barter system and its disadvantages. Barter system was introduced by Mesopotamia tribes. It has following challenges. Double coincidence of wants. Search cost and transaction cost is high. Storage of perishable commodities in difficult results in loss of value. Doesn't encourage specialization and deviation of labor. Money functions of primary function primary functions primary two functions. One, measure of value. Grams is equal to weight, molecule while rupee is equal to value. Medium of exchange, buy and sell goods and services using money as the medium. Secondary, std three functions. Secondary std functions, store of value, transfer of value, soldier in Kashmir to parents in Kanyakumari, deferred payments, that is example by iPhone 12, that is equal to 31.77 3177 only per month into 36 months, equated monthly installments EMIs 1,40,372. Actual price is 79,900, but 34,472 extra interest. Basis of credit system. Contingent contingent function contingent three functions. Contingent three functions. Basis of credit system. Financial markets, share, bond, etc. Employing factors of production, that is land and labor. Capital. Employing factor of production, that is land, labor, capital. Creation and redistribution of national income via taxation. Money evaluation and types. Commodity money to metallic money. Metallic money to paper, token, representative, fiat money. Bank money, deposit money to cryptocurrency. Commodity money. Intrinsic value, yes. Iron nails, bear belts, coca beans, whale teeth, gold nuggets. Problems. Perishable, not uniform, not pure. Foreigners may not accept. Metallic money. Intrinsic value, yes. Traders and kings stamped their marks on gold nuggets for uniformity and trust. Indo-Greek kings and Kushana kings issued gold coins, but Gupta gold coins' most spectacular king is playing Veena, shooting animals, standing with wife. Dilli Sultanate kings, silver tanga, Sher Shah Suri rupiah, silver coin, Akbar, Muhar. Further self-study history of Indian coins. Metallic money, full-bodied and versus taken coins. Gupta coin, 8 grams gold. 50 paisa modern coin, 4 grams steel. Full bonded coins. Intrinsic value is equal to or more than its face value. Token coins less. Challenges. Disbasement. Debasement. Decreasing the amount of metal in coins usually happens when king's rules gets weak and poor. That is example of example. Token coins 3030 Tughlaq token coin experimentation, that is equal to epic fail. Why prepare in history subject? Modern Indian coins are token coins. Full bodied coins, Roman kings. Token coins, copper nickel metal used to discourage melting. Coinage Act 2011 prohibits melting of coins. Intrinsic value of coins. precious metal coin. Metal has intrinsic value, that is metallic money, that is equal to use it as money, or you can melt the metal, use that metal for making jewelry or weapons because metal itself has its value or uses. Paper currency, you cannot use currency notes paper as a notebook or diary. So currency notes have no intrinsic value. Paper money intrinsic value no. Fiat money it must fulfill two conditions simultaneously. It must be one. It must be in the form of physical currency coin or physical currency notes or virtual coin or digital coin or cryptocurrency which can measure value and simultaneously. Second, it must be issued. It must be issued by the order of a king, queen, government, central bank. Government issue all coins up to 1000 rupees using powers of Coinage Act 2011. Presently, government issues 50 rupees paisa to 20 rupees coins. 20 rupees coin, 12-sided polygon shape, did didkagan, dodekagon. 1 rupee note signed by finance secretary. 1 rupee note doesn't contain I promise to pay bearer. RBI issues currency notes other than 1 rupee note under RBI Act 1934. Currency notes have governor sign. I promise to pay bearer. Why it like this? Why cannot RBI issue both coins and currency notes? Answer: send your suggestion to PM. Merge about two layers until it's implemented. Member table for passing it. Legal tender. To become a legal tender, a given coin or currency must fulfill two conditions simultaneously. It must be a fiat money and simultaneously it must be legally valid for all debit and transactions throughout the country. Other party cannot refuse to accept. Item Indian coin, rupee, coins and notes, CRDC, CBDC. Is it in form of physical coin or a physical note or a digital coin that can measure value? Yes. Is it issued by central bank or government or king or queen? Yes. Result: it is a fiat money. Yes. If both sell A and B give yes. D. At present, is it legally valid for transaction in India as per Coinage Act or RB Act? Yes. Is it a legal tender in India? Yes. If C plus D give yes. Demonetized 100 rupees. Is it in the form of physical or coin, physical note to digital coin? Yes. It is issued by central bank, government, king, queen. Yes. It fiat money. Yes, if both. Yes, yes. But no, no. తర్వాత ఇది it is legally valid. No. It is legally tendered. No. Dollars, yuan, yen, euro, etc. Is it in the form of physical and yes. It is issued by central bank, government, king, queen. Yes. The result is it fiat money? Yes. As per it is legally valid for transaction in India as per clear. No. Is it legal tender in India? Yes. No. Dollars. G. G secure government securities treasury bills. What is this answer explained by video? Uh, physical form, no physical form. First of no. King queen no. Yes. Government securities. It is no. AB no. C. RBI కింద లేదు. తర్వాత లీగల్ టెండర్ మనీ కాదు. షేర్స్, బాండ్స్, డిపాజిట్స్, చెక్స్, ఏటీఎం కార్డ్స్, కిరాణా కాయిన్, క్యాసినో కాయిన్, ఫిల్మ్ స్టార్ నోట్స్, ఏనో, బీనో, సీనో, డీనో, ఈనో. మార్షల్ ఐస్లాండ్ SOU, వెనిజువాలా పెట్రో కాయిన్. Physical form, yes. Kane and Kane, government, yes. It is fiat money. Result, is it fiat money? Yes. But not in India, RBI Act, not legal tender in India. Bitcoins, physical form, yes. ఇంకా మిగిలినవన్నీ no, 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 no. Bitcoin is not a fiat money. It is legal tender in El Salvador nation, but it is an exception. Common trade, common commemorative coins is equal to fiat money, yes, but not legal tender unless notified by RBI or government to be used as legal tenders. We can use checks, credit card to pay fees. So why are they not fiat money or legal tender? Money is a unit of measurement for value, just like centimeters, kilometer. That is equal to unit of measurement of length. One teacup is equal to not one check leaf. Two teacups is equal to not two checks leaves. Three teacups not is equal to not three checks leaves. Check itself is not money, but tool or instrument to use money. Check itself is not money, but it is tool or instrument to use money. I did not understand this thing, and or I want to engage in intelli- intellectual debate. Why X thing is legal tender? Answer. Please watch lectures recorded video again at 1x speed, more especially peacefully. Next, not legal tender in India. It is in form of physical or digital coin or currency note. Yes. Can this thing be used for measuring value of goods or services? Yes. 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 Uh, if yes, is it used by king or queen or government, central bank or RBI bank? If no, not fiat money. Then if it is not legal tender in India. Next, is it used by king, queen, government, central bank? If yes, yes, fiat money. No, not fiat money. Then it is not legal tender in India. Fourth one, yes, fiat money. Then, then at present, is it legally valid for transaction in India as per Coinage Act or RBI Act? Yes, yes, legal tender in India. If no, if no, not legal tender in India. Is a first one in this in form of physical or digital coin or currency. Yes, మామూలు నో అయితే నాట్ ఫియాట్ మనీ, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లీగల్ టెండర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. నెక్స్ట్ లీగల్ టెండర్, లిమిటెడ్ అండ్ అన్లిమిటెడ్. Limited legal tender, the unlimited legal tenders. Recipient can refuse accepting payment beyond a limit. No such restriction. Coinage Act 2011 Paper note rupee 1 coins rupee 1 above up to 1000 rupees. Coins 50 paisa 20 coins that is equal to up to 10 rupees. Below 50 paisa coins are withdrawn in 2011. So 10 paisa, 25 paisa are not legal tenders. Not legal tenders. Uh, Unlimited legal tender, no such restrictions. RBI Act 1934, Section 26. Every bank note is legal tender in India. They can be used for settling any amount of debt in India. Lender cannot refuse to accept it. Although, in real life, Finance Act 2011 2017 cash transaction for less than 2 lakhs only. Beyond that, use check, DD, NEFT, etc. Else penalty. This rule is to discourage tax evasion or black money. Fact. My shopkeeper doesn't accept 50 paisa, then how it is legal tender? As per RBI notification, 50 paisa is legal tender. So accept it for MCQ and move to next topic. Further feel free to file police case against shopkeeper. If you have penalty, plenty of free time, outrage for it. 1 rupee paper note is limited legal tender or unlimited legal tender. Read about table carefully. Is it in that in the left column? Limited. MCQ, MCQ. RBI. చూడు RBI app to help blind identify currency notes. 80 lakh people in India are blind. To help them identify currency notes, old series of Gandhi notes have square 50, triangle 100 shaped markings. New series of Gandhi notes have bleed lines, raised printing of Gandhi, etc. But so many varieties of notes difficult for visually handicapped persons to remember size and shapes. So 2020 January, RBI launched mobile aided note identifier that is called Money MANI app. Mobile camera scan and identifies the note even if it's half folded. Gives audio notification in Hindi or English, so also works as offline. But cannot validate whether note is genuine or fake counterfeit. If a user is both blind and deaf, the app will tell him by giving vibrations. Currency related general knowledge. Which note has the color, which note has red fort, sun temple, photo, etc. General knowledge less important. New rupee note, new rupee symbol. Selected through a competition by Department of Economic Affairs in 2010. Designed by D. Udaya Kumar, a professor and IIT Guwahati. National symbol. Lion emblem. Sarnath Pillar, Uttar Pradesh. Satyameva Jayate slogan from Mundaka Upanishad. Languages. While Constitution is 8 schedule has 22 languages, but currency note has only 17. 15 on reserve plus Hindi and English on front side. Observe is equal to 71. 17. Why is it like this? Answer. Either some Indian languages have similar fonts and are send suggestions to RBI. Museum. Budget 2020. A museum on pneumatics and trade be built at the historic Old Mint building in Kolkata. I promise. I pay the bearer. Meaning of this promise. Colonial era promised to convert into full bodied gold or silver bars. or coins worth the equal value in weight, that is equal to America dollar is equal to 14 grams of gold. 1 British pound is equal to 73 grams of gold. In my handout, that is equal to means approximate. Modern era conversion into other bank notes and token coins of equal face value. 2000 rupees is equal to 500 into 4 numbers, that is equal to 100 into 20 numbers, etc. Note inflation, not inflation adjusted value, not linked with the weight of gold or silver. Currency note is zero interest, anonymous, bearer bond or promissory note. Currency note is not a promissory note. Doubt. According to some website, currency note is not a promissory note under the Negotiable Instrument Act. Then what is right? Doubt. Is currency note a promissory note? As per academic books on economy, yes, it has the features of promissory note. As per the law, Negotiable Instrument Act, no, it is not. Then what should I tick in MCQ? Answer depends on the context of options given in the MCQ. Demonetization of flat money, previously 1946 1978. Definition: demonetization means the removal of legal tender status of currency notes. 8th November 2016, Finance Minister, Department of Economic Affairs, notification to ban the specified banknotes SBN of Mahatma Gandhi series 500 rupees and 1000 rupees. Specified banknotes, Cessation of Liabilities Act 2017, that is equal to RBI not required to honor I promise to pay. Banned notes 500,000 rupees cannot be kept except for research and numismatics hobby or museum, and that too in limited amount. 2000 withdrawn but continued as legal tender. 2016 November, RBI introduced 2000 rupees note to meet the currency requirements of the economy in the faster manner after demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupees. 2018-19 printing of 2000 rupees banknotes was stopped. 2023 May 23rd, RBI asked people to either any of the following thing by two things. 30 September 2023. Option A, bank limit. Deposit the note in your bank account. No limit. Whatever money you have, you can deposit. 2 lakh, 2 crore, doesn't matter. Exchange 2000 rupees note with other notes, that example 100, 200, 500. 20,000 rupees per visit. 2000 rupees not demonetized but withdrawn from circulation. 2023 June reporter asked, will the RBI withdraw the legal tender of 20,000 rupees note after September 30? RBI Governor Shaktikant Das replied, no, there is no such idea. That means question. Interesting. 2000 rupees fiat money? Yes. 2000 is 2000 rupees legal tender? Yes. If 2000 rupees in withdrawn from the circulation? Yes. Is 2000 rupees demonetized? Not yet. As of 2024 January, this is the status as per RBI official website and CNBC article. 2024, over 97% of 2000 notes returned. Only 9,330 crore worth notes not yet returned. 2000 rupees withdrawn. Why? We will only prepare the official reasons given by the RBI. 2000 notes were issued as a temporary measures to address shortage of currency. Now there is adequate supply of other currency notes. That example 100, 200, 500. This note is not commonly used for transactions. RBI clean note policy to ensure availability of good quality banknotes to the members of public. 2000 rupees note paper has a lifespan of 4 to 5 years. Since most of these notes were printed in 2016 2017, so by 22-23 its paper quality may start to deteriorate. There is no mention of fighting black money or corruption or fake notes by ISI Dawood in RBI press release. Commodity money నుంచి మెటాలిక్ మనీ టు పేపర్ టోకెన్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ మనీ ఫియట్ మనీ టు బ్లాక్ మనీ టు డిపాజిట్ బ్యాంక్ మనీ టు డిపాజిట్ మనీ టు క్రిప్టో కరెన్సీ బ్యాంక్ మనీ డిపాజిట్ మనీ పేపర్ ఆర్డర్స్ చెక్ డిమాండ్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ లా Viceroy Rippon's Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 primary objective check dishonor and forgery. Check three parties in a check: one drawer sender, drawee bank, pay recipient. Types of checks: stale, not withdrawn in 3 months, post dated after a specific date, open bearer check, no crossing, anyone can encash. IIFC code, Indian Financial System Code 2. ఏమే
ఏం లేదు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు అని చూడడానికి వచ్చాను.
స్నాక్స్ తెచ్చినా అనుకుంటా.
స్నాక్స్
ఏ ఏ ఛే ఛీ ఛే
కారం లేదు కొంచెం చూడాలి.
అంత మంచిదా. ఇండియన్ ఫైనాన్స్ ఏమే అయిపోగొట్టే
పోదు
కనీసం ఒక గంట. ఇండియన్ ఫైనాన్స్
నాకు మైక్ కూడా కొడు నేను ఓదుకో ప్రస్తుతం అలా
ఇవాగ ఇండియన్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ కోడ్ ఇండియన్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ కోడ్ సిస్టమ్ కోడ్ 2 alphanumeric numbers to identify the bank branch just like pin code identifies an area. MICR code magnetic ink character recognition 9-digit code written in iron oxide ink for automated clearance. DD and overdraft. 1. Student gives money to bank with name of recipient of DD, for example exam fees. Bank issues DD to student. Student gives DD to college owner. ABC college owner deposits DD to collect money and fees. How to use it for shopping? Bank account savings balance 1000. How to use it for shopping? Debit card, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, check. Want to withdraw for 2500 but bank balance of only 1000. Well, then temporary loan 1500, that is equal to overdraft. Overdraft. When person has insufficient bank balance, still he may withdraw money from his account as a loan. Such facility is called overdraft. Pradhana Mantri Jan Dhan account has overdraft up to 10,000 with certain conditions. Overdraft is mainly for short term operating expenses. Loans is mainly for longer term higher value expenses. Check NPCI, check truncation system CTS and positive pay mechanism. First, clicks photo of check sent to his bank, gives a checks to Mrunal. Mrunal deposits checks in his bank. For SEBI sends a scanned image to Access Bank. Check transaction checks truncation system CTS. Check truncation system CTS to sender's bank releases uh, check transaction system CTS. 5. Positive pay mechanism. If image if image A does not match with image B, then bank will reject check. Sender's bank releases money. If yes, clicks a photo of check and sends to his bank. Send Murunal. Send positive pay mechanism. NPCI Act mechanism. Benefit. First see the diagram. Check truncation system CTS. If SBI sent the copy of check in post or courier, that is equal to more time wasted. CTS is faster because SBI sending second scanned image online. Positive pay mechanism. If a Mrunal recipient manipulated the check number, that is example, using magic marker or eraser to write 5 lakhs in place of 50,000 at Roman sender will be protected because both image will not match, then check will be rejected by the bank. Electronic orders, digital payment, or digital payment. Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 empowers RBI to regulate card payment, e-payment related products and services. CBS, full form, Core Banking Solution System. It is a banking software with a web platform for centralized data management and branchless banking. That is financial software, Finacle software, BANCS software, eCuber used by RBI. Used in RBI. I didn't understand this. Watch lecture sufficient explanation. What is the difference between core banking solution CBS versus core banking system CBS solution system? And fundamentally, it is the same thing. MCQ core banking solution correct. Answer the next to RTGS deposit. RBI centralized payment system CPS type. RBI and RTGS real time gross settlement. RTGS and RBI's NEFT National Electronic Fund. NPCI and IMPS immediate payment services. CPS RBI centralized payment system CPS కింద RBI RTGS రియల్ టైమ్ గ్రాస్ ఏం ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ఆ బనానే కాదు కరొచ్చాలి నా ముఖానికి యాభై ఒకటి కొడితే తినుకుంటుంటా. ఎన్పిసిఐ ఐఎంపిఎస్ ఇమీడియట్ పేమెంట్ సర్వీసెస్ ఆర్బీఐ సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ పేమెంట్ సిస్టమ్ సిపిఎస్ ఎన్పిసిఐ ఎంపిఎస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అమౌంట్ ఇది దీని కింద ఆర్టీజీఎస్ నెఫ్ట్. ఆర్టీజీఎస్ కింద మినిమం 2 lakhs to 2000 crore SBI. టార్గెట్ కస్టమర్స్ బిజమాన్. ఆర్టీజీఎస్ బిజమాన్ వాంటింగ్ హై వాల్యూ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఐడెంటిటీ. సరే వాళ్ళ సరే. సెటిల్మెంట్ ఆర్టీజీఎస్ ఇన్స్టాంట్ సెటిల్మెంట్ Timing before only weekday of office hours after RBI reforms 24 into 7. Fees RTGS before fees plus GST tax after RBI reforms 0. Who can provide this facility? RTGS before 2021 only banks can provide this facility. 2021 RBI announces that non-bank entities can also become member of centralized payment system CPS is equal to NEFT and RTGS. So in future Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, etc. could also directly allow this. Next CPS next NEFT. NEFT కింద transfer amount up to 10 lakhs SBI. Target customers ordinary retail customers. Settlement mechanism NEFT ki settles NEFT settles a net amount between banks at interval of 30 minutes. Timings NEFT before only weekly office hours after RBI reforms 24 into 7. Fees NEFT fees plus GST tax before after RBI reforms 0. NEFT who can provide this facility? NEFT the before 2021 only banks can provide this facility. 2021 RBI announces that non-bank entities can also become members of centralized payment system CPS is equal to NEFT and RTGS. So in future Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, etc. could also directly allow this. Now NPCI and IMPS immediate payment services. IMPS NEFT IMPS transfer amount 1 rupee to maximum 5 lakhs. Target customers NPCI IMPS ordinary retail customers. Settlement mechanism instant settlement. Timings 24 into 7 on all days. NPCI IMPS. Fees plus GST. IMPS NPCI. Who can provide this? Banks plus provide prepared payment instrument PPI or mobile wallet companies like PhonePe, MobileKick, etc. Also, some banks don't charge IMPS fees for transaction up to X rupees. Exact figure not important. NPCI IMPS. Shakti Das. RTGS NEFT. RTGS large value transaction that example 20,000 2,000 crore. NEFT కింద up to 10 lakhs. NPCI IMPS up to 5 lakhs. LPSS lightweight payment and settlement system. Electricity outrage, diesel generator. NEFT NTGS IMPS UPI outage, LPSS. RBI's emergency or backup alternative to NEFT, RTGS and IMPS UPI or UPI. To provide a temporary portable solution during natural disasters and war. Can to operated from anywhere by a bare minimum staff. How it works? What are the features? Not important. RBI Next Generation Treasury Application NGTA 2020 October. Deleting from handout because yet to be implemented. This topic didn't develop much after 2020. National Payment Corporation of India NPCI. National Payment Corporation of India NPCI immediate payment system అనుకుంటా NPCI IMPS. In 2008, NPCI is registered under Company Act is a not-for-profit company. Originally, it was founded by 10 banks with 100 crore capital. Later on in 2020, Paytm, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, etc. also became Shareholders of NPCA. Objective: cost effective payment solutions or technology for banks. Its UPI, Beam app, and other mechanisms also help in financial inclusion of villagers and poor by expanding the reach of banking network. MCQ EPFO. Next one: how to transfer money from one bank accounts to another. NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. Tool: use UPI features in basic phone, non-smartphone 123 pay. Tool or tech to build money transfer apps UPI. Example of UPI apps for smartphones: Beam, Axis Pay, etc. How to write web page code HTML, that is equal to tool or tech to build blog site containing web pages, JPG videos, that is WordPress. Example are WordPress sites, Indian Express, Time Magazine, etc. అట్లా ఇది. How to transfer money from one bank to another. నెఫ్ట్ ఆర్టీజీఎస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇదేంటి సాఫ్ట్ టూల్ టెక్ యూపీఐ అక్కడ వర్డ్ ప్రెస్. Above is not 100% technically correct explains, but it's just to help you visualize the concept. NPCI UPI Unified Payment Interface. It is a technology for building digital payment apps based on IMPS with following features. NPCI UPI అనేది టెక్నాలజీ. QR scan and pay to merchants. You can link bank account for direct transfer of money without storing money in wallet first, unlike Amazon Pay or MobiKwik, etc. Such app can have push transaction. That example, remittance to family. Pool transaction, that is equal to monthly bill deduction by electricity company, or even bill sharing among friends. Examples of UPI based app: SBI's SBI Buddy, or Axis Bank's Axis Pay, and NPCI's Beam. UPI 2.0 2018 upgraded version of UPI. What are its new features? How is it work different? Why is it different than UPI 1? UPI 1 answer not important. NPCI has been signing agreements with organizations in Bhutan, Nepal, Singapore, Europe, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, etc. So that directly Indian tourists in those foreign countries can directly spend the money from their Indian bank account by using UPI based apps. How? Not important. UPI category: UPI daily transaction limit. UPI technology apps create చేయడం apps maximum amount category of daily transaction 1 lakh per day normal transaction, 2 lakhs per day capital markets, mutual funds, credit card payments, loan repayments or EMI, insurance premium or fees payments, etc. 5 lakhs per day purchase of government securities under retail direct scheme, IPO subscriptions, medical and educational services payment. Above is the status of 2023 December. UPI push versus pull transactions. Push transactions UPI. When you send money by your own discretion, that example, sending money to a relative or friend based on your mode. Pull transaction. Pull transaction. When you have given command that every month the electricity company should cut the money from my bank account, to company will pull money without requiring you to push or click buttons every month. NPCI UPI, NPSAI to UPI, UPI to 123 pay for feature phones. If user doesn't have a smartphone, if he has a basic phone or feature phone with number pads, still he can use UPI using USSD. Unstructured supplementary service data code 99. Yes. However, this feature was very cumbersome. It was not very popular among the people. So 2022 March, RBI launched a new UPI platform named 123Pay with the help of NPCA to give more UPI payment options for feature phones or basic phones such as USSD. This was already available. Second, interactive voice response or IVR. Missed call based payments. User sends a missed call and then system calls him back in IVR mode. Proximity Proximity sound based payments allow transaction using sound waves for contactless payments to other phones. Easier utility bills payment, gas, electricity, etc. via feature phones. User need to link the bank account with the feature phones. Money transfer, check account balance, pay utility bills, recharge, fastags of their vehicles, etc. New app for feature phones. Benefit digital payment ESP among the poor people who do not have smartphones but have feature phones. UPI observations by Economic Survey ES 2023. Total number of digital transactions 22 8,840. UPI shares of digital transaction 52%. Total number of digital transactions already steadily increased in the last 3 years. Percentage of share of UPI in the total digital transaction also steadily increased in the last 3 years. UPI single black and multiple debits functionality 2022 December. Not important for the scope of exam, poor cost benefit in spending time over this topic after observing the previous year's papers. UPI Lite on device wallet. Bank balance UPI Lite mobile wallet to UPI Lite maximum 500 rupees. No pin register required. Tap and pay offline to seller. UPI for big value transfer big pin required. user adds User adds money from his bank account to his UPI Lite wallet on his mobile app. That is Google Pay app, Beam app, Beam app, UPI. Usage number not very important. Maximum limit per transaction 500. Maximum balance storage capacity of wallet 2000. Maximum total transaction within 24 hours, that is by adding new money in wallet repeatedly after previous balance is finished 4000 rupees. Limit per transaction. Benefits of UPI Lite wallet. Faster because no need to provide UPI PIN number during transactions. Less chances of transaction failure even if sender's bank server is facing technical issues. UPI Lite plus NFC. Offline retail payment, tap and pay. RBI aims to implement near field communication NFC in UPI Lite for following benefits. ఒకటి offline transaction will be possible, helps in villages with poor internet connectivity. Contactless or tap and pay facility. Touch and pay facility by touching your mobile with merchant's device. 3. More faster, error-free transaction. What is NFC? NFC answer. Refer science technology material. That for example in America, You can tap Apple smartwatch with a coffee shop POS device to pay money. UPI developed by NPCI. Then why is RBI making all these announcements? Because RBI is the regulator of such all digital payment technologies. Conversational payments in UPI. It will help users to chat or converse with the AI powered system to make payments. For examples, similar to how smart speakers functions. Hey Siri, Alexa, Google remind me to buy milk and exit. You can similar payment such a transaction via text or voice note to UPI system. How it works? Answer. Wait till the official features release. Benefit. Voice command more convenient for blind users. Text-based chat can happen within shopping site. No need to redirect to third party payment gateway website like CC Bill, CCA Avenue, Razor Pay, etc. More is that is called as more secure, efficient. Pre-sanctioned credit line. When a banker allows an account holder to borrow up to a predar- predetermined amount of money without having to apply for a loan, it is called pre-sanctioned credit limit. Credit limit. Normal loans, lengthy paperwork, collateral required. Pre-sanctioned credit line, expensive interest rate, ex-cons, faster, no collateral, unsecured. Instruments, overdraft, credit card, overdraft కింద branch visit, bank website, UPI. UPI, pre-sanctioned credit line or overdraft in UPI 2023 October, April. Zero balance at 25th September. I don't have money. Need to re- need to repay principal plus interest. Zero balance at 25th September. I don't have money today. I will receive pension in my bank account on 1st October. Then do UPI say overdraft. Need to repay principal plus interest. RBI allowed pre-sanctioned credit line overdraft facility extended to UPI. So even if a person does not have balance in his bank account, still he can pay using UPI while shopping. And then later, when he gets the salary, pension, income deposited in his bank account, then the banker will recover the principal and interest. UPI benefits of UPI overdraft facility. Help customers in buy now, pay later. BNPL format of swapping. Poor people requires a small amount of money or loans during last weeks of a month. They cannot travel to the city's bank branch for the paperwork and banker may take many days to pass application. Consequently, poor villagers borrow from the local money tender lender sort 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 of Bania at a high interest rate. UPI overdraft can help overcoming this to some extent too. That is equal to helps in financial inclusion of the poor. Inter interoperable cardless cash withdrawal ICCW. ATM money withdrawal. Normally you have to insert card. ICCW facility cardless cash withdrawal with UPI based app. Benefits. If physical card not inserted in ATM machine, dangers of card cloning, etc. scams. How does it work? My bank not giving this facility. One line word association for MCQ is enough. UPI QR code based coin vending machine using UPI. Insert paper note to get coin. Uh, New experiment by RBI in 2023, scan QR code, transfer money from bank account via UPI to get coins from machine. NPCI UPI being full form. Bharat Interface for Money 2016. Money transfer app designed by NPCI. It works on Android, iOS, Apple mobiles as an app. Works even on non-smart, that is called basic features. Phones using 99 as star 99 as USSD unstructured supplementary service data. Bank to bank peer to peer transaction using mobile phone XYZ UPI. No need to install multiple apps for each bank account, SBI Buddy, Axis Pay, etc. Just one Beam app to use all such bank accounts. One app has three-factor authentication system. As per Indian Express, two app has app has two-factor authentication system as per NPCI website. Then which fact is true? Answer: I don't. I would go for offline official website too. Your money stays in bank account and earns interest. It is not stored in wallet outside your bank account, as it happens in MobiQuick, PhonePe, etc. P.S. In later stage, PhonePe, etc. private apps also included UPI type mechanisms, so storing money in wallet became optional. But we need not engage in hair splattery PhD, hair splittery. No cards involved, so no MDR or such hidden charges. Merchant counter rate. NPCI RuPay card payment gateway 2012. SBI RuPay Axis card payment gateways. For apps, UBI Visa card. Card user or buyer to pay annual fees for the card. Seller has pay fees on every transaction known as merchant discount rate MDR. NPCI RuPay card payment gateway 2012. Rupee plus payment, that's equal to RuPay card. In world's seventh payment gateway, similar to MasterCard, Visa card, China's Union Pay, RuPay charges less fees than other companies. Works in three channels. First, ATM. Second, point of sale device, POS card reader machine. Third, online portals. RuPay debit card given free with Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Jan Dhan bank account. RuPay has signed collaboration agreements with some digital payments companies in Singapore, Japan, etc. So it may be used in those countries, but presently RuPay is not having the widest reach across all the countries, unlike MasterCard and Visa. NPCA, other notable initiations: BBPS, UPMS, Bharat Bill Payment System for monthly payment of utility bills, gas, electricity, etc. 2022 January, MPCI daughter or subsidiary company Bharat Bill Pay Limited company launched a unified Presentment Management System. Unified Presentment Management System, UPMS, but technical stuff not important for exam. How is BBPS versus UPMS similar or different? Not important for exam. These are one liner GK, not PhD their topics. NFC, National Financial Switch. This technology runs the ATM network. CTS, trunction check truncation system 2010 learned in previous section. NETSC, National Electronic Toll Collection provides technology support to the FASTag toll collection. PAI chatbot, artificial intelligence AI based chatbot to reply to people's online queries about NPCI's products like FASTag, RuPay, UPI, AEPS, etc. DigiShati helpline number 14431. RBI launched with the help of NPCI for digital payment and card payment problems. The number is 800 891 91 333 3333. Not important for it, but personal. It's Dark Pay 2020 payment app by Department of Post and its India Post Payment Bank. Bharat QR 2016 given in next section of the handout. Scroll down. E-Rupee 2021 given in next section. NACH ABPS hybrid mixed mode in MGNREGS. MGNREGA. Rural Development Ministry salary to MGNREGA works. NPCI. His works Aadhaar linked with a bank account and his MGNREGA job card property. Yes. Then send money via ABPS. No. Then send money via NACH. ABPS అంటే ABPS ఆధార్ బేస్డ్ పేమెంట్ సిస్టమ్. నేషనల్ ఆటోమేటెడ్ క్లియరింగ్ హౌస్ ఫర్ బల్క్ మంత్లీ పేమెంట్ ఆఫ్ యూటిలిటీ బిల్స్, dividends, salaries, pension or insurance premium, etc. How is BPPS versus UPMS versus NACH similar or different? These are one-line GK, not PhD. This stuff. AEPS, Aadhaar Enabled System, useful for direct benefit transfer into beneficiaries' account for MGNREGA, wages, LPG subsidy, scholarship, etc. Nachu card. ABPS, Aadhaar based payment system. ABPS. It is also required for Bank Mitra micro ATM system. Difference between Aadhaar enabled payment system AEPS versus Aadhaar based payment system ABPS answer. It is enough to know. These are related to money transfer to bank account linked with Aadhaar number. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. Rural Development Ministry provides 100 days work to villagers. Presently, both NACH and ABPS methods used for giving salaries in MGNREGA workers. Thus, it is called mixed payment mode or hybrid mode for MGNREGA's wages. Government wants to shift completely to ABPS method, but due to operational and technical issues, deadline keeps getting delayed. Some poor people without Aadhaar card given exemptions from IBPS. Opposition party alleged that government is weaponizing the technology to deny money to poor people without Aadhaar card. Direct benefit transfer DBT. E-Rupee by NPCI 2021. Origin E-Rupee is an SMS or QR code based prepaid cashless electronic voucher created by National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI) using its UPI platform. It is also supported by Finance Ministries, Department of Financial Services and Health Ministries, National Health Authority (NHA). Can be used to provide one food for mother, child, poor families under various schemes. One medicines for tube, corona, etc. Second, third, fertilizer subsidies for farmers. Even private sector companies can issue it for one company's employees. That example, gym membership, golf club membership, hotel tourism travel. Second, use it for corporate social responsibility CSR programs. Government, that example, education department transfer rupee, bankers, SBI, PNB, etc. Third, give NPCI's e-rupee to beneficiary tries to pay using e-rupee code accepted. School shoes store rejected in Gutka liquor shops. Read in e-rupee code for getting rupees from bank. Following reforms taken in Europe in 2022 February. Before, maximum storage limit 10,000 per code. Code can be used one time at single time only. After reforms, 1 lakh, limit 1 lakh, maximum storage limit 1 lakh. Code can be used more than once, multi-time, multi-use until the amount of the voucher is completely exhausted or redeemed. For example, out of 1 lakh, 10,000 paid to furniture store, 20,000 paid to electronic store, etc. E-rupee vouchers scope expanded 2023 June. Before or after 2023 June. Who can buy e-rupee codes or vouchers? Government and companies before. Who can sell e-rupee codes and vouchers? Only banks can sell. After 2023 June, who can buy e-rupee codes, vouchers? Government, companies, and now individual persons can also buy it. For example, for gifting to their maid, driver, etc. Who can sell e-rupee codes, vouchers after 2023 June? Banks and non-bank prepaid payment instruments (PPI). For example, Amazon Pay, MobiKwik, etc. Interoperability, interoperability problem. Dish TV remote does not work with Tata Sky set-top box. That is equal to interoperability absent. Paytm cashback cannot be transferred to Amazon Pay. That is called interoperability absent. Third, I don't want to use digital payments too much headache and restrictions. For okay. Let me make some technical rules to fix this slowly, phase wise. What were the technical rules to improve interoperability? Not important. QR code compulsory to implement UPI Bharat QR from 2022. 1990s, two-dimensional 2D quick response QR code system developed in Japan. Indian e-payment system function on three types of QR code, namely, for example, Paytm or PhonePe के exclusive QR codes. Problem, other companies may not be able to scan and pay it. So RBI has prohibited companies from launching any new priority QR code. UPI QR code generated by UPI app of NPCI. It can be scanned by all apps which are developed using UPI technology. Bharat QR code developed by NPCI with help of Visa and Mastercard, it can be scanned by all apps which are developed by using UPI technology. RBI has ordered all the payment system operations PSOs, for example, Paytm, PhonePe, MobiKwik, Google Pay, etc., to shift to UPI QR or Bharat QR by March 31, 2022. Benefit: all payment apps will be able to scan these QR codes. Interoperability: RMQR, Rectangular Micro QR Code, MQR, RMQR. 1990s, Japanese engineer Mashiro Hara designed the square QR code. Now he is working on RMQR, rectangular QR code. RMQR can be printed in narrow spaces. RMQR has the same scanning speed as normal square shaped QR code. Card type card types based on security features. Mm, Magnetic card problem of cloning skimming, that is equal to RBI banned. Mastercard EMV card full form Europay Mastercard plus Visa chip infrastructure with encryption. Contact based cards insert in POS instrument, contactless using RFID. Homework: read about RFID and NFC from Science and Technology book internet. Credit debit cards, also called plastic money. Credit card: if credit card used for withdrawing money from ATM, then it is a type of borrowing. So bank levies interest rate. Credit card versus overdraft. Credit cards, that is equal to for shopping. You carry card in your pocket. Bank may give you some reward points, gifts if you spend X rupees per year. For overdraft, you have to manually visit the bank branch, fill fill up form. It's not in the form of a card, doesn't give you points, gifts. Further difference, not important, not here for IBPS exam. Debit cards. Debit card can be used to withdraw or rupees from ATM from your existing bank balance, so it is not borrowing. Debit card versus overdraft, you should be intelligent enough to self understand that much. Hybrid duo card. Single card with two chips for one credit card, second debit card. So you don't have to carry two separate cards. For example, Indus Bank hybrid card. 4. Prepaid card. It is subtype of debit card. Debit card is linked to a given bank account, but prepaid card can be bought even without having account in the given bank. For example, IRCTC and UBI prepaid card, which can be used for buying retail rail tickets, metals, meals, etc. Support provided by Union Bank of India UPay and NPCI's Rupees Gateway. Other technical benefits are MDR challenge, BGGK, BHD doubts, real life implications not important. Credit card. Credit card do the shopping first, then pay to bank after 30 to 45 days. If late payment, interest charged. Debit card, do the shopping using money saved in your bank accounts. Bank accounts having balance 1000 only. Card tokenization. From October 1, 2022. Primary ID murunal at gmail.com. Create secondary ID murunal fake at gmail.com. Post comments on blogs and websites. Marketing spam offers in secondary ID but not in primary ID. Tokenization: create a set of numbers called token to replace or hide the sensitive card data such as the 16-digit account number, expiry date, and security code. The ensures your card information is not disclosed to merchant website, that is equal to protection from hacking. Card owner can generate tokenization through visiting card issuers, bankers website, app, through laptops, with desktops, tablet, wearables, smartwatch, etc. From October 1, 2022, this become effective. Primary card, second primary card. Name Vijaya Danath Chauhan. Store card into in shopping website to prevent typing it every time. Hacker steals it. That is called real damage. Primary card. Create a fake ID. Secondary, I would linked who primary card tokenization. Do shopping by going fake card number, giving fake card number. That's a token. Even if a hacker steals it, that is called no damage possible. CVC, less transactions. Normally, during online transaction, customer has to enter card holder verification code (CVC) every time when making payment. But after the RBI's tokenization norms, this may not be required every time. Related topic: what is Mastercard company CVC less transactions? Answer: this much real life business general knowledge is not required for exams. Auto debit, e mandates, and additional factor of authentication AFA. Netflix monthly OTP not required. Auto debit, e mandate recurring. That is called allowing a company to cut money from your bank account, credit, debit card. For example, monthly Netflix subscription. Normally, it requires two factors authentication: username, password, or card number and CVV code, and second OTP SMS as additional factor of authentication AFA. Amount to additional factor of authentication AFA OTP SMS required for recurring monthly annual transaction up to 15,000. No OTP required. Ever for normal transaction that is equal to Netflix subscription. Only first time transaction pay may required. Then recurring payment fee not required. Up to 1 lakh, no OTP required. Subscription to mutual funds, insurance premium, credit cards, bills. Do I have to remember all this? At least remember that every card transaction does not require OTP. Card technology for transport travel. National Common Mobility Card NCMC 2019. One Nation One Card model by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA with the help of NPCI, Bharat Electronics Limited Bell Company, and some banks. It helps developing special cards to pay tickets. Train station train gate can open automatically upon tapping the card, like in Hollywood movies. It has three components: NCMC card to be issued by banks. Nature can be debit, credit, or prepaid. Can be used for metro, bus, suburban, railways, toll, parking, retail shopping, etc. Sweeker, SWEEKR, automatic fare collection system. Swagat, Swachalit, Swachalit, automated gate at railway or bus station. SBI Nation First Transit Card 2023. You can buy this card from SBI by paying 100 rupees or more. Card can pay metro, buses, water ferries, and parking, etc. Card can also be used for shopping, e-commerce, withdrawing money from ATM. Card is based on National Common Mobility Card (NCMC) technology. FASTag for paying toll fees at highways 2017. For paying toll fees at highways 2017. FASTags are prepaid rechargeable tags that allow for automatic toll collection at electronic toll connection gates radio frequency identification RFID technology. 2017 National Highways Authority of India NHAI, a statutory body under Highway Ministry, launched two mobile apps, My FASTag and FASTag Partner, to facilitate electronic toll collection. NPCI has developed National Electronic Toll Collector Collection NETC technology to aid this. Persons loads up rupees in the mobile app to active RFID tag in his car. When it passes through highway toll booth, the money is automatically deducted. Benefit: faster traffic movement tracking stolen cars. From 2021, it became mandatory for all vehicles passing through tolls to have FASTags. Vehicles without FASTags will have pay up more fees toll at the gates. MDR, full form merchant discount rate. Card issuer bank. In above photo, MDR fees percentage is not actual number but for illustration or example. Card issuer bank pay rupees 10,000 gets 9,800 rupees. See 3 uh, merchant required for MDR 200 rupees. ABC will get a share from MDR fees. ABC A అంటే కార్డ్ ఇష్యూరు మర్చెంట్ అక్వైర్డ్ బ్యాంక్ వన్ బ్యాంక్ ఎంసీ అమ్మేటుంది బ్యాంకు యాక్సిస్ కార్డ్ ఇచ్చేటుంది ఎస్బీఐ అట్లా ఓకే 3 to C. MDR is the fees that merchant must pay to his acquires bank for every credit or debit card transaction. MDR fees is shared among three parties: customers, card issuing bank, merchants acquiring bank, పేమెంట్ గేట్వే ప్రొవైడర్. అంటే వాడిని కూడా ఇవ్వాలా? పేమెంట్ గేట్వే మా వీసా మాస్టర్ కార్డులకి 200. ఏబిసి ఏ అంటే కార్డు ఇష్యూర్ బ్యాంకు, బి వీసా మాస్టర్ కార్డు, సి మర్చెంట్ అక్వైర్స్ బ్యాంక్. MDR hurts merchants' profit margin, discourages them from adopting point of sale POS terminals. This is equal to card swiping machine, obstacle to digital economy. RBI 2017 imposed ceilings on MDR fees, that is called MDR cannot be more than X% of the transaction amount. Budget 2019, it imposed some technical rules to help companies. I am deleting it because old or faded news, mostly technical. MDR subsidy MEITY. 6. At bankers and companies, 0% MDR on RuPay debit card or UPI app. 7. But it will causes loss for us. Ministry of Electronics and IT will give you subsidy. 9. MDR subsidy game not financially sustainable. Better charge some fees. Better charge some fees on UPI RuPay debit card. Also, let me write a discussion paper to this. Shaktikant Das RBI. instrument. MDR UPI 0%, NPCI Rupee debit card 0%, NPCI Rupee credit card, Mastercard or Visa debit card, etc. X%, not 0. So if a banker promotes Rupee debit card or UPI app, banker will not earn MDR fees. So bankers promote Mastercard and Visa card to their customers and merchants instead of Rupee UPI. So 2021 December, MeitY, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology announced up to 2000 MDR subsidy to merchant bank for Rupee debit cards transactions and UPI transactions. This will encourage digital payment, especially in all small towns and rural areas. Foreign players like MasterCard and Visa card are opposed to Indian government preferable treatment given to India's rupee. Which one of the following best describes the term merchant discount rate, sometimes seen in news? A. The incentive given by a bank to a merchant for accepting payments through debit cards pertaining to that bank. The amount paid back by banks to their customers when they use debit cards for financial transactions for purchasing goods or services. The charges to a merchant by a bank for accepting payments from his customers through the bank cards. The incentive given by the government to merchants for promoting digital payments by their customers through point of sale POS machines and debit cards. Interchange fees by NPCI 2023 March. Direct bank payment from buyers to account 0 fees UPI transfer. Seller's bank account. But if more than 2000 from buyers prepaid mobile wallet NPCI, 1% interchange fees by NPCI on seller to seller's bank account. There are many more terms and conditions to this, but we will not waste time in page 3. ATM and its time.